Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome on your phone and tapping the profile icon at the top right. This reveals the signed-in account. Make sure you have the target Google account email and password ready, because you'll add or switch accounts next. Once done, verify your connection, Wi-Fi or mobile data, so sync can complete without interruption. You do this now to avoid lost bookmarks or paused sync. Preparing speeds the change and prevents accidental data overlap during the switch. Next, tap Profile, then Manage Accounts on this device, and choose Add Account if your target isn't listed. This is where you sign in. Enter your email and password, follow two-step verification if prompted, and enable sync to pull bookmarks, history, and passwords. If the account already appears, simply tap it to make it active. Chrome will switch profiles and update the browser state. You do this so your browsing, passwords, and extensions reflect the account you want to use immediately. Finally, confirm the active profile shows the desired email and that bookmarks, history, and passwords are synced. If you need to remove the old account, go to Profile, Manage Accounts, then remove from this device to keep things tidy. If sync errors or missing data occur, try clearing Chrome's cache or signing out and signing back in. That forces a fresh sync. Make sure to check two-step prompts and storage permissions when troubleshooting, because they commonly block account changes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.